This C is equal to this. So find out the C value, A value and B value. How? First we can write the C and plus of this the 7i, and there is the, we can write A plus bi of q, and we know the formula. A plus b q formula is a cube, and there is the bi cube, and there is the 3 square and bi, and there is the 3a bi square. This is the formula a plus b whole cube formula. And we know the I is equal to root over minus 1. So I square is equal to, this is root square, so this is the minus 1, and I cube is equal to the square into I square, and so I square is equal to the minus 1, and this is the I, so I cube is equal to the minus I. So there b cube plus b and I cube, b cube there is, and I cube is the minus I, so there is the minus I, and 3a square, and this is bi, and there is the 3a, and there is the b square, and I square is the minus 1, and now from here a cube, and this is the minus and plus, so minus b cube, and there is the 3a square bi, and there is the minus and plus, so minus ab square, so there is the a cube, and this is the minus 3ab square, this is the one part, and this is the b cube, and this is the I, sorry, plus minus this, and this is the I. So there, this part we can take the I, so there is the, first we can write 3b square b, and this is the minus b cube, that take the I both of side. So there is the C, and this is, so this equal to, we can write C plus 7i, and so this part is I, so this part is I, and this part is C, so this part is C. So now again we can write the, this part equal to of this, and this part equal to of this, so this is I and this is I, so 3a square b, and this is b cube, this is equal to the 107, and now they take the b, so 3a square, and this is the b square, this is the, we can write the 170. So 107, and 2 times we can write 1 into 107, and this is 107 into 1. So if first we take this, so we can write b is equal to 1, and 3a square b is equal to is 107, and this is we take, so we can write the b is equal to the 107, and so 3 square b is equal to, this is the 1, 2 times we can write this is equal to 1, so this is equal to 7, and this is equal to, and this is equal to, so we can write of this, if b is equal to 1, so b is equal to 1, and this is equal to this, so we can write b is equal to 1, and this is equal to this, so 3 square and b is equal to the 1, so put the b value, so this is the 107. So this 3a square, this is 1 square is 1, so plus here, and this is 107, 108, and so there a square is equal to this 108 by the 3, and this is the 36. So a value is 6. From there we can find out this a value. The a value is 6. And now if b is this, so we can find out. So b is this 3a square, and b value is 7 square, this is 1, so 3a square, and this value is 11449, this square value. So this plus and this is here, so this is this side, so total is this, and this is plus 1, so there is the this, and now a square is equal to this is 4, 5, 3 and 3. So a value is root of this, so root of this, and this is fractional, so this fractional, so we don't take of this, only take this. A value is this 6. So if a value is 6, so then the b is 1, so a value is 6 and b is 1, and c value is, this is the c value. So a value is, so this we can, a value is 6, so a 6 cube is 216, and there is the 3, and this a is 6 and b is 1 square, so 1, so 216 minus 18, so total value is 198. So C value is 198. So thanks for watching the video. Thank you.